Sure. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name's remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes and I'm the co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. You know what to do over here. Talk about how to make money online, how to do your investments, and a lot. Yeah, so tomorrow is the day. Tomorrow is full of surprises, but I want to do the last updates for you to know what to expect and if you can withdraw your money or you cannot withdraw your money in case they open the channel. And let me tell you one thing. Disclaimer: I'm not forcing anyone to invest in the Defi Trade. I'm not saying that. And I always say that if you have released coins in the account, that one, it's possible for you to join the Defi Trade. And some people were saying that how can they earn money without participating in DeFi trading? Me, I've earned more than $10,000 without even joining the DeFi Trade. I just joined DeFi Trade last month. I earn money from referrals. I earn money from Ambassadorial, monthly salary and things without even joining the DeFi Trade. That is why I was saying that. And lots of people have been earning money through referring people to the platform. Yeah, and if you don't join the DeFi Trade, you may end up losing all your money. And right now, some people are losing their password, their passkey, and their authentication key, and that's the sign of it. Yeah. So some of the questions people have been asking me: what if you quit DeFi Trade before 15th September? What if you quit DeFi trading before 15th September? And that is what brings me here today to do this video. So listen. So they are saying that on the 15th, you have to be in the DeFi Trade. So if you quit DeFi Trade before 16th, you may lose all your hard-earned money. So this is their official website. So let me zoom this in on their platform. So if you join the DeFi Trade here and you quit it, the money you have earned in the USDT, the money you have earned in the Tron, they will all be cancelled. Or you can't even withdraw your money. So it's best to keep your money in a DeFi Trade as long as 16th of this month. You see, you don't have to withdraw or cancel any DeFi trading. And people have been saying that I'm promoting this and that. No, I'm not promoting anything. The thing is, we have all invested in the platform and we are hoping for the best. And as a mentor, I refer a lot of people to the platform. So I don't want anyone to lose his or her money. That is why I always bring you updates to show you things you have to do in case they say that, okay, right now we have opened the thing, you can withdraw your money. Because right now, if they say that they are coming back, there are a lot of things that they will put it in way that will make you lose your money. You see, they can tell you that you have to do rebounding. That one, if you haven't done rebounding, you may lose your money. They will tell you that, do you have a passkey? Input your passkey. If you don't have it, you may end up losing your money. Password. You see, you haven't joined DeFi Trade. If you don't have it, you will lose your money. So there are a lot of things that they can do or that they can put it in way that will make you lose your money. And that is what I'm here to always talk about, so that you will not end up losing your money. Because right now, this person is claiming that he is not the founder. So it means that the founder is right now unknown. And this one is not news because Bitcoin, no one knows the founder of Bitcoin. Do you know the founder of Bitcoin? You don't know. You see, yeah, some of these crypto coins, their founders are out, hidden. They hide themselves, especially Hamster Combat. I don't know that Hamster Combat. I'm not sure that you know the CEO because even their YouTube channel they use the toy to represent them. You see, so that one is not an alarm to me that maybe they are gone or something like that. No, and I'm not wishing that they will leave or it will be scam. I'm not wishing that because I have money inside. That's not my wish. You see, but my wish is that 15 they will open it for us to withdraw our money. But there are some things that they can say that they can put it in ways to cut some people off the platform, and that is what I don't want to become a victim of it. I hope you understand me. So that is why I say that. So people were saying that. So how can I make money? How can I make money without even joining DeFi? That's what I've already told you that. Getting release coins, you can get release coins from not rewards. Not rewards are people who refer people to the platform, and those people are participating in DeFi trading. So the money they will earn in the DeFi trade, they will get 10% commission out of it. So these people can choose to earn money on this platform without even joining the DeFi trading. I hope you get it. They can make money on the platform without even joining the DeFi trading. So when I'm saying that you have to join the DeFi trade, you have to join the DeFi trade, I'm not talking about people who have already joined the DeFi trade. No, I'm talking about people who receive or who earn money on this platform through not rewards. You see, those people also are many because right now we have ambassador for almost 30 countries. So all these ambassadors are also on any money from what not rewards, and they can say that okay, because I'm earning money from not reward, I will not participate in the DeFi trade. That's what I'm saying. That right now you are earning not rewards, you are getting free NT coins. So convert some of these NT coins and participate in the DeFi trade, so that if they are opening the channel, if they want to open the channel and say okay this and that and this, you will not be a victim. You will still cash out your money, and that's what I've been preaching about, and nothing else. So I hope I've answered your question that if you quit your DeFi trade before 16th or before tomorrow 15th, you may end up losing all your funds. And some people were saying that they didn't even join the DeFi trade, but they still have their coins. So you see, when it comes here, you see that we have not released and you have released. It's not the same. If you have not released, that means you don't have anything to withdraw. But if you have released, that one you cannot swap it for USDT. You see, you can swap it for USDT or Tron. And that's what I was talking about. So if you have this release coins through not rewards and you haven't participated in a DeFi trade, you may end up losing this money. That's why I'm using the image on their platform to show you, or you may end up losing your money. You see that thing? And I don't want people who have referred a lot of people to the platform. I don't want them to lose their money. That is why day in day out you see me outside like preaching about Neptune Network, preaching that like though I don't know whether they are gonna or not, but let's wait for the 15th. But you have to do things towards to be in their lane, so that you not be a victim of losing your money. And I've already told you that if you want to do your rebound and you don't know how to do it, DM me, I'll guide you, but I'll charge you. The reason why I was trying to do this for free, but people thought that he's lying. So if you think I'm lying, you can't chat, you don't chat me. But if you really want your money, you can chat me. I'll show you how you can rebound your thing well. Because after their update, you may try to connect your Google Authenticator, and this will say that wrong password, wrong passcode. You don't have any chance of what adding anything again. Yeah, and this one, it will happen this evening before 15th September. So you can mark it on the wall. Like, I know I've been online for long, and I know how some of this platform operates. You see, they may come online again, but some people will start everything again. Yeah, they may come online again, but some people will also start everything again. So don't take my updates for free. Don't take my updates for granted. And you know what I am saying? That is why I'm saying that if you haven't done the rebounding, chat me. I will show you how to do the rebounding. If you like, you can keep it. I don't have any problem about it. Yeah. So I hope I've answered your question today. That if you quit Defi trading, you may end up losing your money. So don't quit Defi trading and wait for tomorrow. What is making you quit Defi trade? For what? Though you may be pissed off, but still don't do that. Don't quit it. Wait for September 16th or 15th for us to know the final thing. Yeah. So this the update for today, and thank you for watching me. And please don't forget to subscribe, and let's go together.